The Postsale Anywhere Chrome extension captures shipping and order details from the page you are viewing. Pull in info with a click, or paste data from any page. Then, review shipments, compare rates, and print labels without ever leaving your browser. To get started, head to the Chrome Web Store and install the Postsale Anywhere extension. It's included with your Postsale plan. Be sure to pin it for easy access. The first time you launch Postsale Anywhere, you'll be prompted to log in with your Postsale username and password. Once you're logged in, you're ready to start capturing information from web pages. Let's start with reading shipment details from an email. With the email open in Chrome, launch Postsale Anywhere and click Scan for Shipments. Then, allow it to read the page. Postsale Anywhere creates shipment records in the side panel. Here, 3 records were created, one for each address in the email. Keep in mind that Postsale Anywhere also works with text documents, chat messages, and almost any other page open in Chrome. Next, let's look at copying and pasting shipment data from a spreadsheet. This is a great option when you only need to create shipments for specific records, or when the format of the web page prevents Postsale Anywhere from successfully reading it. With the spreadsheet open in Chrome, click Scan for Shipments and allow Postsale Anywhere to read the page. Locate the Paste Text Manually field in the side panel. Copy the shipment and order information you want to use, then paste it into that field. No need to worry about formatting. Postsale Anywhere takes care of that for you. Click Parse Text. Postsale Anywhere reads the pasted text and displays the shipments and order information in the side panel for you. Once your shipment information is ready, you can review and create your labels. If needed, use the drop-down menus to associate the shipment with a specific store or to assign a specific status. Click the Edit icon to review or update the order number, address, and item details. Then click Create and Ship New Order and configure packaging, dimensions, weight, and any additional settings. Your default shipping settings and shipping rules configured in Postsale are automatically applied for you. Click the Create Label button to create and print your label. Any automations you have configured in Postsale, such as sending a shipment notification email to your customer when a label is created, are triggered just like when you are working directly in Postsale. Once the label is created, the order, shipment, and label details are automatically available in both Postsale Anywhere and the Postsale app. Want more Postsale quick tips? Be sure to subscribe to the Postsale YouTube channel and to check out the Postsale blog.